Damon, you're so close. Don't give up.
I feel, Elena. Okay? And it sucks. You don't want to talk about giving up. It's all you've done is give up.
I let it fall.